Yeah, hi guys, this is Irene at Seriously Scrapping. I'm just here for two reasons. To show you the beautiful urn that I got to put my father's remains in, because he was cremated, and also I want to show the Australian people how to open one of these. So that's the beautiful urn I got. Anyone who's grieving, who's Australian, when they go to look up how to put the urns in from the plastic container, it's like a plastic grey container that they give you from the burial place. It was these guys, Faulkner Memorial Park, Victoria Funerals, and I basically had to call them, and they told me basically you need to use a flathead screwdriver to pop that open, and apparently the remains are in a plastic bag. You can directly pour the remains in there with a funnel, but I'm just going to put them in there with a plastic bag because God forbid what happens if some idiot knocks this over and all the ashes just go everywhere. I want them to be tied up in the bag just in case some idiot does knock it over. Okay, so let's start off with talking a bit about urns. Do not get ripped off and buy your urn from an actual place in Australia. You can save yourself what I saved, which is $350 if you buy it from a place in India, the exact same urn. These are the people I went to. Keepsake Company on Etsy. They're a company in India, free shipping. I got this within 4 days of purchasing it. It came on a Sunday. Who delivers on a Sunday? I just got it today. I opened it off camera. I might include some footage of me opening it, but right after I opened it, I filmed it quickly, but we'll see. So it comes wrapped up in some really nice cloth-like, good quality type of tissue paper. It feels like cloth-like. It's not that, it doesn't make real big noise. I can't explain it. And then it was in this. And then it was in this beautiful, sorry, I've got animals, so I'm going to have hair everywhere. Their company logo, which is Keepsake, Preserving Past, Crafting Future, Indian company. And the card says this. It says, thank you. Oh, I have to get my glasses. Sorry. I really recommend buying your urns from these people. It comes really quick if you want it quick for the funeral, really quick. Thank you for your purchase and for your trust in our product. This urn has been crafted entirely by hand. A huge amount of work has gone into each one, and as such, there may be very slight imperfections associated with a handmade product. We hope that the stunning beauty and quality of this urn brings some comfort and peace to your life. Keepsake Company. I couldn't find anything wrong with it. They're also, besides Etsy, they're also got their own company, keepsake.com/ but I found them on Etsy. Okay, so let's get into it. So I ordered, I'll show you what I ordered. An extra 50 Australian engraving, all up, free shipping. I paid 191 Australian dollars engraved. Now, if I was to go the exact same one, if I was to go through an Australian company that my funeral home recommended, it was 525 without engraving. So it would have been, say, $575 with engraving and maybe another $20 shipping. So about $590. and I got this for 190. So guys, I'm telling you, it's the same exact urn. The only thing that was different was the one on the site didn't have that gold banding here. It just had another pole of the mother of pearl. So it's basically mother of pearl inlay. As you can see, this is huge. I might have to come back out, and I'm going to grab a ruler. So from what I remember, it's 10 inches, which is about 25 centimeters. Yeah, it's about 25 centimeters. And across from the widest point is about 18 centimeters across. It's absolutely beautiful. Look at the top. It has that threading, or whatever you call it, closure. All hand done, mother of pearl inlay. It came in with this. I think I might leave this in there because it's got a nice smell to it. And also those jelly things that you throw out, but I threw that out. So that's how it looks like inside. I might shine my light on it so you can see. The only thing I noticed was a bit of paint maybe came off. That's probably the imperfection they're talking about. I kind of started scrubbing on it a bit, but I realized it was just the paint that came off. But that's no big deal. I'm sure Dad wouldn't mind. But as long as the outside is fine, which it is. So beautifully done. Here's the engraving. So with the engraving, you can get up to 3 rows and up to 17 characters on each row. Now, I pushed it with my surname. The surname is Andrianopoulos, which has 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 letters. 14, 15, 16. So an extra 2 letters with Peter Andrianopoulos, but they did it all right. So I wanted to put loving father and grandfather, but the characters would have been a bit long, so I put it loving dad and granddad. Peter Andrianopoulos, he was born on the 16th of the 6th, 1937. Oh, I don't know why they put equals. It's no big deal. I would have preferred just the one line across, but that's okay. It's no big deal. The 13th of the 7th, 2023, at least they got everything right there, especially the surname. You know, so that's really pretty. And look at that beautiful mother of pearl. That's like mosaic. And I love mother of pearl. Look, some might say for men it's not really for men. This will be more for, like, say, your mother passing. But my dad was far from fussing. He would even say something like, "Why have you got me in such a fancy urn? Like, this is too extravagant." He was a very simple man. If I'm being fussy, I can see a little imperfection there. But you know what? I would rather not pay the extra $400. I saved $400 if it means just having that little imperfection there. You could see here it was similar, but they had cemented it probably here. But over here, actually, I've got another light. What I'll do, sorry guys, I've got my nail light because I was doing nails the other day, so plug that in so I don't have to hold up. There we go. Hopefully that's better. What do you think? Hold on. yeah. But besides that, a little bit of a crack there. So it'll be facing the front like this. It's a shame that was where the front is, but it's not that big of a deal. You know. Like they said, it is handmade, so there will be slight imperfections. I'm glad to take $400 off if it means just having a few. You know, the other one is probably more stringent with things like that. You know what I mean? It's probably not allowed on the more expensive one from Australia, but the gold is fine. There's no marks on the gold. It also came in chrome or silver, but I actually like gold better. And you know what? The chrome and silver was actually $50 more as well. So yeah, if you have a loved one pass on, don't be sucked in by going through the funeral parlor ones. Like, go through. And the best way to clean this is, you know, the cloth you use for your glasses. I have to buy some of that. I don't have any handy, but just to polish it up a bit. Yeah, so that's, and underneath it has a felt bottom as well. Just be very careful not to get it wet, because that, put it anywhere where water might get spilt on it, because it will start to come off. But yeah, it's a screw top. There we go. Beautiful, eh? I think I might stop this and do a new video with just opening the urn separately. So thanks for watching, and yeah, just a little tip. Go to India. It's cheaper. Save $400.